What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me on D's Analysis. We're going to be looking at Palantir. Man, this thing has been going crazy. Absolutely insane. Since April 7th, this thing's been ramping up like I've never seen before. I mean, it's done that before, but it's going crazy. That's my point. Up about 65%, just going absolutely insane. We fell beneath this trend line on the daily, retested it multiple times, getting rejected, and we made our way back on top. That is a key level. This trend line's been established since roughly August 2024. So we've been riding it pretty well. It's looking pretty good. And then we fell underneath it temporarily. And now Palantir, resilient as ever, just ramping up like nothing ever happened. And on the daily, on the weekly, it looks like a clean move to the up to all-time highs. There's not much traffic when you look to the left. We just have to break 111 and I can see us at all-time highs in the snap of a finger. This is looking super bullish. Price action always looks a little funny on Palantir because there's just a lot of just weird. The price action looks funny. In terms of the SMA, we broke above the 20 and the 50. We got a bounce off the 50, pushing up higher. Super bullish. A lot of momentum behind price. And we're above the 20 week, which is a key level to keep a bull trend intact. We got a bounce off of it, looking super good. On the Bollinger Bands on the daily, we're hugging the red band. Let's see if we continue to hug it throughout the uptrend and make our small pullbacks to the blue in between. On the weekly Bollinger Bands, we're almost at the same point. We're making our way to the red band. Let's see if we continue to hug it throughout this next ride of a leg up. On the daily RSI, we're looking very good. We got a double bottom, pushing up higher. Kind of created a bull flag here, and we're making our way up to overbought territories now. So let's see if we can make a move like this and like this or like this. We want to see an overbought territory for an extended period. The last time we had an overbought territory was from February 3rd to about February 20th or so. So we had about 2 weeks roughly of just overbought and nothing but bullish momentum. So that's what we want to see. We want to see moves just like that. So let's see if we can get something like that coming up soon. We'll see, of course, depends on macroeconomics, macro data, all that kind of stuff. Inflation, unemployment. And here on the daily MACD, looking super bullish. We're creating higher highs, higher lows, almost creating like a massive bottoming pattern like that. It's a higher low and push up higher. Let's see if that plays out. That would be extremely bullish. That would put Palantir at a much higher valuation in the future. And on the weekly, this thing couldn't even get to the zero line. It just started curling back up, and it's looking like it's ready to overtake the orange line and push up even higher now. And when you pull a Fibonacci pull to the top, it looks like we got a perfect bounce off the golden zone at the 0.5 to the 0.618. As you can see here, that's a very bullish sign in the upwards direction. This is a bullish pull. So this is a strong level of support to allow price to push up even higher. And it looks like we got to the key level, the golden zone, 0.5 to the 0.618. Made it about halfway, and it looks like we're shooting up even higher. So this is a strong move. Shows that the bulls were always intact, and they were literally just taking a small break, and now we're ready to ramp back up. So Palantir is looking super bullish. I think it's gonna be a company that you're gonna wish that you bought in the future. I think it's a great buy overall, not financial advice. A good addition to your long-term portfolio, 10, 15 years. This thing's gonna be way higher than it is today by a long shot. I would definitely have some exposure to my portfolio in this. And you're ran by an amazing CEO, Alex Karp. So I think it's a great buy, great opportunity. This was a major dip. This was an opportunity to accumulate more. That's all I have for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.